Hello, students. Students, I am Professor Jali Sahni. Again, in the first unit, other topic here is human aspirations. In this lecture, we'll see what do you mean by human aspirations. The contents are first of all introductions. Happiness. What is happiness? Prosperity. And basic requirement. Fulfillment of human aspiration. What are the basic requirements that can fulfill the human aspiration? Animal consciousness versus human consciousness. Method of fulfillment. Difference between three states of mind. Where and now then we see where do we stand today. Basic human aspiration. First of all, I would like to and let's what do you mean by aspirations? Aspiration means prabhal abhilasha, akanksha, needs, desire are called as aspirations. Garaz, garza, akanksha. We desire for many things in this world, say materialistic needs, recognition, respect, trust, love. It is but in the form of all this, we aspire for true and continuous happiness and prosperity. Okay, we always desire happiness and prosperity in the form of this aspiration. Happiness, to be in state of liking is happiness. Happiness means in state of liking. किसी चीज़ को पसंद करने के अगर मूड में हो कोई तो उसको बोल सकते हैं ये खुश है. ठीक है. टू बी इन स्टेट ऑफ हार्मोनी इज हैप्पी. सामंजस्य स्थितीमध्ये कोणी आहे दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज हॅप्पियर. ओके. प्रॉस्पेरिटी, भरभराट, तरक्की. Okay, emotions. Okay, feeling of having more than required physical facility. Okay, feeling of having more than required. However, since the need for physical facilities is limitless, the feeling of prosperity cannot be assured. For prosperity, two things are required: identification of the quantity required for physical needs. Okay, ensuring availability, production. List of wants. What is the list of wants a person desire? A big car, बड़ी गाड़ी चाहिए. Take care of my parent. Okay. A good laptop, not get angry. Knowledge, become a politician. Okay. Number of wants are there. I want to do social work, satisfaction. Okay. A great house, big house. Respect, be healthy, wealthy. Number of forms are there. Basic requirements for fulfillment. Basic requirement cares. Right understanding, good relationship, physical facility. Okay, these are the basic requirements for fulfillment. Right understanding. It is the first priority towards realization of aspiration. Right understanding is necessary to verify that all our desires are naturally accepted. So उस टाइप की अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए, समझ होनी चाहिए, क्या होना चाहिए, कितना होना चाहिए ना. रिलेशनशिप. नेचर कांट बिल्ड इन आइसोलेशन. Human has to build relationship. Right understanding help him to develop healthy relations and also to know the expectation involved in relationship. Physical facility are the basic necessities of life: clothes, shelter, safety, etc. With the right understanding and answering relationship, we are able to judge the need for physical facility and means to fulfill them. Okay, right understanding, relationship. From right understanding, things come relationship, physical facilities, then relationship, mutual happiness. Okay. So we have good relationship with our friends, in our family, mutual happiness will be there. Okay, because we are in relationship with people, other human beings. And physical facilities, mutual prosperity with the rest of the nature. The things we use come from what we call as nature. Animal consciousness versus human consciousness. For animal, physical facility is necessary as well as complete. whereas for human beings it is necessary but not complete. Okay. Working only for physical facilities is living with animal consciousness. Okay, when we say that I am working for only physical facilities, we can say that we are living with animal consciousness. But working for right understanding as the first priority, followed by relationship and physical facilities, implies living with the human consciousness. Okay, you can see that working for right understanding as first priority, followed by relationship. Okay, there is a need for transformation from animal consciousness to human consciousness. It can be accomplished by only by working for right understanding as the first priority. This transformation from animal consciousness to human consciousness form the basis for human values and value-based living. See this with the right understanding the self gives rise to relationship with human beings, then physical facility with nature. A good relationship gives rise to mutual happiness. Okay. Now, methods of fulfillment, how to fulfill our aspirations, to live with continuous happiness and prosperity. The program is to understand and to live in harmony at all levels of living. हार्मोनी सामंजस्य समझौता के साथ अच्छी से खुशी. There are 4 layers of our living: self, family, society, and nature. Self, right understanding helps me to understand myself clearly and helps me to develop a feeling of satisfaction, okay, prosperity and happiness in myself. So there are 4 layers of our living. Self-satisfaction should be there for the fulfillment. Family, right understanding helps me to understand other feelings and expectation in the better way. This ensures harmony in the family. Okay, right understanding. Society, as we understand our relationship with others in our family, we also start understanding others in the society. First of all, understanding family, then we also start understanding the society and can maintain fulfilling relation with everyone. Nature. Existence refers to all things that exist in nature. Once we learn to maintain harmony with the society, we also develop a feeling of concern toward the plants, trees, animals, etc. in nature. 3 states of mind. SVD means sadhan vihin dukhi daridra, refers to the condition of a person who doesn't have the means to fulfill his materialistic desires and non-materialistic desires. Materialistic desires: food, shelter, love. Non-materialistic desires: respect, trust, happiness, care. SSDD, sadhan sampan dukhi daridra. Money is not all that matters. State of person in which he has all the means to acquire materialistic requirements of life, but still something is lacking in his life. Example: money can buy bed but not sleep. S sadhan sampann sukhi samriddhi. Sadhan sampann, availability of physical facility. Sukhi samriddhi, continuous happiness and prosperity. We need right understanding to verify all ideas, to verify that there is mutual happiness with nature and within. Where do we stand today? On the level of individual. At the level of individual, rising problems of depression, psychological disorders, suicide, stress, insecurity, loneliness, etc. At the level of family, what are different problems? Breaking of joint families, mistrust, conflict between older and younger generations, insecurity in relationships, divorce, dowry, tortures, family hurts, best explanation in family functionalities. The level of society: terrorism, nationalism, communism, racial, ethnic struggles, wars between nations. At the level of nature: global warming, pollution, depletion of mineral resources, forestation, loss of soil fertility. Thank you.